Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change default version on Bible Gateway. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow beside search button at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Now, select the version you want to use from the drop-down list. And now, your default version has been changed. That's how you change default version on Bible Gateway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.